Welcome everyone. We are discussing revision part of trigonometry. Trigonometric identity. In the previous class, I have discussed how to find minimum value of trigonometric expression. Now, maximum value. To find maximum value of trigonometric expression. So I have already stated, if we get greater than in equation, then minimum value x mean equals to 2, and if it is x less than equals to 2, then x max equals to 2. Now problem number 1. X equals to 12 cos theta minus 9 cos square theta. So look, they are not reciprocal value. So we want to express x as square term. So look, this one is negative and this is the highest power. So minus common 9 cos square theta minus 12 sin 12 cos theta. Now this one is 3 cos theta whole square, a square, 2 into 3 cos theta, 2ab into, to make it 12, this is 2. So 3 cos square, so 9 cos square theta, 2a, this is a and b is 2. So to make it perfect square, this is 4 and this is minus 4. So finally what we are getting? Minus 3 cos theta minus 2 whole square minus 4. So we can write it 4 minus 3 cos theta minus 2 whole square. Now this is square term. If it is 0, its value is 4. And if it is non-zero, so then it is positive, but here it is negative. So less than 4. So if it is 0, value is 4, and if it is non-zero, then it is less than 4. So we get x lesser than equals to 4. Since 3 cos theta minus 2 greater than equals to 0. So if it is 0, value is 4. If it is non-zero, 4 minus positive number, that is less than 4. So x max equals to 4. What is x? Value of the expression. Value of the expression. If coefficient of highest power is negative for quadratic equation, we get maximum value. But if it is positive, then x will be in terms of greater than in equation. So look, 12 cos theta minus 9 sin square theta. If it is 12 sin theta minus 9 sin square theta, then also maximum value. Highest coefficient quadratic, it is negative, so you get maximum value. Now problem number 2 and 3, they are exactly same. Here we use a theory. If minus 1 less than x less than 1, then that is x is small. Then x minus 1 less than x less than 1. Suppose it is, we take positive, 0 less than x less than 1. Then x square less than x. X to the power 4 less than x square less than x. If it is 0 to 1, then we can take also, this is x cube, this is x square less than equals to x. But if it is minus 1 to plus 1, Then we write x4 less than equals to x square. x6 less than equals to x4 less than equals to x square. Obviously less than 1. তাহলে look, why? Suppose x equals to half. Now what is x square? 1 by 4. What is x cube? 1 by 8. So as x increases, as power increases, value decreases. So that is why, look, x square less than x. x4 less than x cube less than x square less than x. If it is positive, then you can write it. But if minus 1 to plus 1, then x4 less than x square, x6 less than x square, because as power increases, if value of expression is less than 1, as power increases, value decreases. So this will be our working tool. Now look, suppose look, this is sine to the power. We know sine square theta less than equals to 1. Sine square theta less than equals to 1. Therefore, sine to the power 8 theta less than equals to sine square theta. Because look, sine square theta less than 1. Power, this one is 8. So it is less than 1. Less than 1 means 0 less than equals to sine square theta less than 1. Because it is lies between 0 to 1, sine to the power 8 theta less than equals to sine square theta. Suppose sine theta equals to half. So what is sine to the power 8 theta? So half to the power 8, and this is half square. So this one is theta. So this is 1. Now another expression, 0 less than equals to cos square theta less than equals to 1. It lies between 0 to 1. So cot to the power 18 theta less than equals to cos square. So call it cot. So now if we add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 implies sine to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 8 theta equals to sine square theta plus cos square theta. So sine to the power 8 theta plus cos to the power 18 theta lesser than equals to 1. So what is expression? If we consider this as a less than equals to 1. So what is maximum value? Maximum value is 1. So similarly here also maximum value is 1. For any even power involving sine and cos, we always get maximum value as 1. For example, if it is sine to the power 80 theta plus cos to the power 100 theta, then it is also less than 1. Power must be even. So you try to prove this one. So sine to the power 80 theta less than sine square theta. Cos to the power 100 theta less than cos square theta. Adding, we get result. So how to find maximum and minimum value of trigonometric identity? Then elimination. These are basic problem. X equals to a cos theta, y equals to b sin theta. X equals to a sec theta, y equals to b tan theta. X equals to a cos theta, y equals to b sin theta. Elimination. L tan theta, L1 tan theta plus M1 sec theta equals to N L2 tan theta, M2 sec theta equals to N2 A cos B sin theta equals to C1 A2 cos theta B2 sin theta equals to C. Elimination. These are also very simple problem of class 10. So you have to eliminate theta using identity. So 1, 2, 3, they are very simple 1 marks problem. So this is involving cos and this is involving sine. So what is our motto? To find trigonometric identity using sine and cos. So x equals to a cos cube theta. So x by a equals to cos cube theta. So by rule of indices, cos theta equals to x by a whole to the power 1 by 3. Now what is y? B sine cube theta. So y by b sine cube theta. So sine theta equals to y by b whole to the power 1 by 3. So now using identity, we have sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sine theta y by b whole to the power 1 by 3 power 2 by 3 x by a whole to the power 2 by 3. Now this relation is free from theta. So this is which is theta eliminant, which is theta eliminant. So 1, 2, 3 is very simple. Now problem number 4 and 5. So one method is tan and sec. Solving these two equations, you have to find tan and sec, then tan square theta minus sec square theta equals to 1. Similarly, solving cos theta and sin theta, you have to use cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So you find tan theta, sec theta, then use identity. But we always try to solve this type of problem by method of cross multiplication. So try to so a1x b1y plus c1 equals to c1, a2x b2y plus c2 equals to. They are linear equations, you know. You can solve it by 4 methods. Elimination method, substitution method, and method of cross multiplication, comparison method. These are 4 methods. So we always use method of cross multiplication. What is method of cross multiplication? Try to recall. X, x, y, y. Vertical elements are same. X, x, y, y. So x by y by 1 y. So this is of class result of class 11. X. So if we consider x, so what is x? X equals to, what are the coefficients? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. So x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Y by this portion is absent, and for the middle one, look, for this into this minus, for the middle one, If it is plus y, then we multiply this term at first. So A2C1 minus C2A1, A2C1 minus C2A1, and for 1, so this part is absent. A1 B2 minus B1. So this is method of cross multiplication. So what is x? X equals to B1 C2 minus B2 C1 by A1 B2 B1. So y equals to similarly A1 B2 B1 A2. This is A2 C1 minus C2 A1. So we use method of cross multiplication. So look, problem number 4. So look, method of cross multiplication is applicable if these and these are in vertical position. So what is tan theta? This is tan, and this is sec, and this is 1. So we can write this is minus n1 equals to 0 minus n2 equals to 0. So L1 m1 minus m1, L2 m2 minus m2. So what is tan theta? Minus m1 m2 minus m1 m2, minus plus m2 m1, and m1 there is restriction. So this term at first minus L2 m1 plus m2 L1, and this one is L1 m2 minus m1 L1. So method of cross multiplication will take least time. So what is tan theta? This implies tan theta equals to L1 m2 minus m1 L2, and this is m2 n1 minus m1 n2. And what is sec theta? Denominator same, and this one is n2 L1 minus L2. So this is our main aim. How to find tan theta and sec theta? You can use any method, but method of cross multiplication will take least time. Now we know sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So put the value of sec theta and tan theta equals to 1, which is theta eliminant. So similarly, problem number 5 involving sine and cos. How to find elimination? Now I will solve 3 important problems. So problem number C. This is typical one. So look, sine to the power 4 theta by a cos to the power 4 theta by b equals to 1 by a plus find tan theta, or find value of sine to the power, or find value of sine to the power 4 theta, cos to the power 4 theta, this type. So main aim is how to find tan theta. So look, one method is you can convert cos to the power 4 in terms of sine. Then solving equation, you can find sine theta or cos theta, then you find tan theta. But this will be lengthy. Now look this method. alternative one. So this equals to a plus b. So we can write a plus b by a. This is typical type. A plus b by b equals to into cos to the power 4 theta equals to 1. Multiplying with a plus b. Now this one is 1 plus b by a sine to the power 4 theta. And this is 1 plus a by b cos to the power 4 theta equals to 1. So now we can write it sine to the power 4 theta cos to the power 4 theta. This is b by a sine to the power 4 theta, a by b cos to the power 4 theta equals to 1. This one. Now we have already calculated this part. This is 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Or you know, this is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Similarly, it is root over b by a sine square theta, root over a by b cos square theta whole square plus 2ab b by a by b sine square theta cos square theta equals to 2. Now look this step. You may say this is minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. You may say if we take this one is plus, then it is minus. But look, if we take plus, then it is not 1. And then it will be minus. This cancel and it is minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. So minus is not cancelled. So that is why a square plus b square, we are taking a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Because look, ab is 1 and it will be plus. So this 2 sine square theta, this 2 sine square theta will be cancelled out. So this step will be this one. Here it is plus because it is 1. If we take it plus 1, then it is not 1. But if you take minus, it is not 1. But here it is 2 sine square theta cos square theta. So finally what we are getting is this cancel, this cancel. So 1 minus root over b by a sine square theta, root over a by b cos square theta whole square equals to 1. So 1 cancel out. 1 cancel out. So we are getting very simple result. So root over b by a sine square theta, root over a by b cos square theta whole square equals to 0. This equals to 0. This implies this equals to 0. So root over b by a sine square theta equals to root over a by b cos square theta. So what is tan square theta equals to a by b. So what is tan theta plus minus root over tan square theta. So if we get tan theta, then we get sine cos any expression. So you can find any expression involving trigonometric ratio. So this is typical one and very simple if you remember this technique. Now problem number 2. So this equals to this. So 1 plus cos, this is 1 minus cos. Different sign. If we multiply 1 minus cos square, 1 plus cos beta, 1 minus cos beta. So for this type of problem, so you have to find value of each side plus minus this. So it is plus, it is minus. For this type of problem, suppose A equals to 1 plus cos alpha, left hand side as A, and B equals to right hand side. Now, what is AB? Therefore, AB equals to 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos square alpha, 1 minus cos square beta, 1 minus cos square gamma. So this is sin square alpha, this is sin square beta, this is sin square gamma. Now look, this equals to this. So we have A equals to B, because this expression equals to this. This is A equals to B. So AB equals to this. So A square equals to sin square alpha, sin square beta, sin square gamma. So what is A? Plus minus sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma equals to A is LHS, B is RHS. So value of this side is plus minus sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma. So this is most important and simple also. Next, problem number 1. A cos theta minus B sin theta equals to C. A sin theta plus B cos theta equals to this. So what is the expression? A cos theta minus B sin theta equals to C. Now here it is A sin theta and it is B cos theta. So take square. A cos theta minus B sin theta whole square equals to C square. So A square cos square theta, B square sin square theta, 2AB sin theta cos theta equals to C square. Now what you have to find? This equals to plus minus. That is, we have to prove A sin theta plus B cos theta whole square equals to this one. A sin theta. So sin theta in terms of sin theta, coefficient is A. So this is 1 minus sin square theta. B cos theta, B square into 1 minus cos square theta, minus 2AB sin theta cos theta equals to C square. So A square sin square theta minus B square cos square theta, 2AB sin theta cos theta, C square minus A square minus B square. Then multiply by minus A sin theta B cos theta whole square. Taking minus common, and it is A square plus B square minus C square. Look, omitting one step. Take minus common, so all term will be plus. This is A square plus B square minus C square. Now A sin theta plus B cos theta equals to plus minus A square plus B square minus C square. Good. Now look, if it is MCQ type problem, 3 cos theta, 4 sin theta, 5. What is 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta? So it is application of the previous one. So this equals to plus minus root over A square plus B square minus C square. Now what is A? A is 3, so 3 square. What is B? B is minus, B is 4 whole square, 4 square. And what is C? C is 5 square. So this is 0. So what is value of the expression? Value of the expression is 0. So these are simple and important problem. So today through this video we have discussed how to find maximum value, elimination, and 3 typical problems. These are revision work of class 10. From next class, I will start trigonometry part of class 11. Thank you for today.